So you first want to start off by getting a bowl. I like a bigger bowl just so everything fits. Now I'm going to chop off my baby spring mix. I chop it just because it makes it easier to eat. I don't have to stuff all this lettuce in my mouth, so I just give it a nice chop first. Now I'm going to chop my cucumber. I only use half a cucumber, but I kind of dice it really small. To get a little bit of everything in every bite, so that's why I am dicing these. Next, I'm just going to dice up this pepper. You can use whatever vegetables you want. Peppers and cucumbers just happen to be my favorite. I was gonna put tomatoes in here too, but the ones that I had actually gone bad, so I had to live without them. We're gonna move on to our salmon. I like to season with salt, pepper, lemon pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and cayenne. So I'm gonna put this in the air fryer with a little bit of olive oil on top. I'm going to set my air fryer to 365 for 5 minutes. I'm going to pick up this dressing. It is cotija and cilantro. It is so good. I'm using just the serving size recommendation, which is 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to put that right on top, and then I'm going to mix all of it together. That way every part of the salad is covered in that dressing. So you always want to check on your salmon. Sometimes it needs to go back in for a little longer, so if it does, go ahead and put it back. I'm going to mash up this avocado in the meantime. Once the salmon's done, I like to take the skin off. Sometimes it doesn't have the skin on, but if it does, I just like to take it off because it tends to get soggy and doesn't stay crispy. So now I'm just going to take that avocado that I mashed up, and I'm going to put that on top of my salmon. Finish this bowl off. I always like to top with some cilantro and some lemon juice. And that is it. That's how I make my favorite thing to eat, which is the salmon salad bowl. So let me know if you guys tried it. I hope you guys enjoy. I love you so much, and I'll see you next time.